Yeah, folks, welcome back into the sports room. Kevin Hite here with my longtime friend Don West.
I'm so fired up about this. I can't even tell you, people. This is.
Come on, man. Shake my hand.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
For those of you,
I've been waiting for the blue chip.
You've been waiting for this for years. It's been what, 7 years?
Well, you know what? You and I don't know if you remember this. We did them on an infomercial.
Yes, we did.
And we couldn't keep up with
That's
what
right.
was going on.
That was what, 02, 03?
02.
Forgot about that.
Yeah, I got a great story. I got a great story about that.
Yeah, okay.
As we get going, and literally, one of those things where when you said blue chip, I'm like, you're not going to believe this. But anyway.
Okay.
Go ahead and get us set up here, and we're going to.
So let's talk about
start order.
Shop at Home. Shop at Home and Don West, Kevin Hite, Robert Chambers, Eddie Lewis, all the guys that Don Davis, Danny Wright, all the guys that have ever been doing the show. Is there anybody I'm forgetting there? That's pretty much about it, isn't it? Sean Leffler, of course, Elliot over the last couple of years. But I mean, we've just had a plethora of guys over the years. Bunch of people. This item that you're looking at is our number 2 selling item of all time.
2 or 1?
Well, it's 2. Let me tell you why it's 2. It would be number 1. This really wasn't introduced until 1999.
That's a good point.
The other item that's number 1 was introduced in like 1991, so it's got a 10-year head start on it. This one is just nipping on its heels. The blue chip, Don West actually invented this item.
We did.
The name, the entire deal, and
what we decided to do is come up with something. Basically, sports collecting is there's no feeling like buying that pack of ball cards when you're a kid, and it's wrapped, and you buy that pack of cards, and you open it up, and inside you're looking for that Willie Mays, or when I was a kid, Billy Williams, or Ernie Banks, or whatever it was you were looking for. But each individual pack was like a Christmas present.
Correct.
You didn't know what was in it. You had to buy it. You didn't know what was in it. Nowadays, some of those single packs can run for thousands of dollars if you can find them, and you still don't know what's in them.
Right.
We decided to come up with something to recreate that feeling, but to do it on a mass level. To take that feeling of opening something and not knowing what's in it, and getting that excitement when you finally get what you want, we decided to recreate that feeling. Now, when you look at this at first, you're going to go, okay, what's going on? For those of you that already know, you're already ordering because we have a limited amount of these.
Yes, we do.
You know the joy that this package brings. We took that feeling and multiplied it by 1,000. I mean, multiplied it by 1,000. What we're going to do is we're going to give you this box. We call it the blue chip. We call it Who's the Daddy? Because when we first did this, and we put this together, a lot of people were like, oh, this won't work. And I'm like, oh, you don't know. This is going to work. And I never forget, we jammed, busted phone lines. Like we had to have the AT&T and Bell South come out here and fix all the lines because we blew them up. They were literally on fire. Melted satellite dishes. Seriously, though, we blew it up so bad that we looked at each other and went, who's your daddy? Well, you know what I'm talking about.
And look at the guy.
Your daddy.
I love the picture there.
That's an old caricature of me that was in some magazine or something.
14 years ago.
14 years ago, back when I had the mullet and the whole 9 yards. Here's what the blue chip is. Folks, this is what's so beautiful on this, and I'm going to warn you, if you can order more than 1, order 2, order 3, because everyone's different.
Yes, it is.
How would you like to open up something for $99 and get a chance? And here's what I want to do. I want you to show this thing right here. Now, this is just pictures of them, but the real ones are going out.
Correct.
How would you like to open up this box that you're paying $99 for and going to get about $300 to $400 or more worth of cards? Guaranteed. And all of a sudden you pull out, are you ready for this? A 54 Ted Williams or Jackie Robinson. Or, I mean, let me just give you some of the years. 53 Topps, Jackie Robinson. A 53 Bowman, Yogi Berra. A 54 Duke Snyder. A 54 Willie Mays. I'm not kidding you, folks. How about a 54 Ernie Banks rookie? How about a 54 Ted Williams? I told you about that. That's an $800 card. The Ernie Banks is $1,300. The Jackie Robinson, $800. The Yogi Berra, $800. Al Kaline, Roy Campanella. These are all from 55 and 57. A 57 Whitey Ford. A 58 Roger Maris rookie. a 60 Stan Musial, a 61 Frank Robinson, a 62 Clemente, or a 64 Rose.
Incredible. And look at the values on those cards.
Folks, some of them are $800.
One out of every
$1,300.
30 people that ordered tonight will
going to get
that.
Yeah,
guaranteed. Look at the phone. Look at that, Don.
The phone line's already jammed. We already knew this was going to happen. One out of every 30 people are going to get one of these cards.
Yep.
That's just a bonus. I wanted to show you that before I told you what you're guaranteed. What you're guaranteed. And I'll tell you what, if you could you open one of these?
Let me just open this right here.
And I want to read what's guaranteed
Folks,
at $92.82.
You get it home, you're going to get a box like that with this beautiful caricature of Don West on there. And it's going to say,
reminder of the old days.
Superstars. This collectible box may be worth $1,000 somewhere down the road.
Let me tell you something more. Or today. Oh, you're talking about my picture?
Yeah, right.
I mean, down the road. Probably
Down
right
the road.
now.
Oh, okay.
Now, inside, you're going to get the plethora. This is the Christmas special. I mean this. If there's ever been a dream item to sell for Christmas, it is this right now. And we're already spiking the lines. I even told you what you're guaranteed.
Yep.
Now, I'm not mentioning just the old ball cards that are going to be going out.
This is all guaranteed.
This is all guaranteed.
Go ahead and I'll pull it out as you talk about it.
You're guaranteed an 8 by 10 autographed photo of a Hall of Famer or a superstar.
Okay, that's all in the back. So let's just see.
Right.
So I just got this home, Don. I ordered it.
You're pulling all this out.
I'm pulling all this out, and let's see.
We put all this together for tonight.
Correct. And this is, we have no idea what's in this.
You're
envelope.
guaranteed. Let me tell you some of the Hall of Famers that are guaranteed. I mean, it's just unbelievable. Harmon Killebrews won. Marichal, Jim Palmer.
As everyone knows, I have a hard time.
Hall of Famer, superstar, guaranteed every time you open a box. That's just to start it off. Phil Rizzuto, the late Phil Rizzuto.
Wow.
I'll tell you what, let's do. Let me put this up here.
All right, go ahead.
And then you can move the button. Folks, it's certified everything. You're guaranteed the autographed 8 by 10. That's guaranteed. You're guaranteed what's called a Blue Bonus Hot Picks pack. That means you're going to get 5 premium packs from today's Hot Picks. 5 premium packs. Folks, we're talking about Barry Bonds, A-Rod, Clemens, Pujols, Peyton Manning, Tom Brady, Brett Favre,
right there.
Randy Moss, Kobe Bryant, Shaq, Jordan, Tiger Woods. All these are hot picks. You're guaranteed a Hall of Fame Elite Pack where you're going to get 40 cards of nothing but Hall of Famers.
Right here.
Guaranteed.
Check this out.
40 cards of nothing but Hall of Famers.
Let's open this one up and let's see exactly what we get here.
That's guaranteed in every box for $92. Folks, this is ridiculous. But I'm just getting started. You're guaranteed 1 pack of the VIP Classics. That means it's loaded of VIP Classics. Now, you're going through the 40 Hall of Famers. That's guaranteed. We're also going to guarantee a pack of what we call VIP. When I say a pack, these are special packs that we've made.
Correct.
Special packs just for you. So that when you open these up, you're so blown away, you can't believe anybody in their right mind would do something this crazy.
Yep.
Are you ready for this? These are loaded with vintage cards from the 50s, 60s, and 70s, and it contains 40 cards. 40 cards from the 50s, 60s, and 70s. So you're not just guaranteed 40 Hall of Famers. You're guaranteed an additional 40 from the 50s, 60s, and 70s.
Exactly.
Now, as soon as I go through all this, we're going to open up and have a heyday.
I know it.
I'm not done. We're going to give you a pack of blue chip superstars loaded with the favorite big names and rookies right now. 50 total cards of superstars. That's just getting started. We're going to give you 2 packs of NFL Classics loaded with quarterbacks and rookies and big stars past and present. And we're going to give everybody a bundle of 5 factory sealed wax packs. 5 factory sealed wax packs we're throwing in. And then our choice, one out of every 30 of these gets one of these rare cards for tonight. We pick these cards out special. Everyone tonight gets a shot at these cards, and all these cards are going out tonight. The Clementes, the original Ted Williams,
yes, sir.
Willie Mays, Roger Maris rookie, Stan Musials, all of these going out tonight. Now here's the fun part. We start opening these up and show you what we mean, because right now you're just looking at a box and going, okay.